Hi there. If you have a table saw but you don't have crosscut sled yet, you have to watch this video. So for the main body I'm gonna be using MDF, and for the rails or guides I'll be using oak strips. They have to be pretty precise in measurement. The best to have calipers and check the width of your groove. And then you wanna rip it to the thickness of your table. It should fit nice and snug. My table saw is pretty old and rusty, so that's a necessary step for cleaning the grooves. Apply some glue on your rails. And set your crosscut on top of it. Make sure it's nice and square and in the center. Put something heavy on it. I happen to have this piece of railroad, which I plan to turn to my anvil. Score some lines, pre-drill, countersink, and put screws in it. Now it's time to put some wax on it. The birthday candle is all I had, but guess what, it works. Nice. Cut like 3/4 of the way of your sled. And for the borders, I'm ripping this 2x10 into 3.5-inch thick strips. This is an important step. You have to make sure your blade is perpendicular to your board 100%. Those are just decorative 45s, looks a little bit better. Apply some glue, clamp it down, and again, pre-drill, countersink, screw it. Same procedure for the other side. However, the other board could be off being perpendicular, it's not that important, but it'll still look better if you do it right.
Alright guys, there you have it. Nice little simple crosscut sled. We got our 90 here. We got our 90 here. And most importantly, we got our 90 from this stopper board to our blade. Awesome! That was so nice! Woo! Alright, let's go!
What you guys see here is me making this end grain cutting board from maple and oak. The card gonna pop up on the screen. Go ahead and watch the full video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.